Today I am going to explain how to write PISA CCT Reading Challenge exam in online PISA portal. Listen very carefully. First write the PISA CCT. You can search for the site. You can search and you can click on this one PISA seshagun.gov.in slash CCT slash. Then after you can click on that and it will take to login page. Now the login page is displayed. On the login page you have to write your user id and password. This user id and password is provided by your PISA in charge teacher or otherwise your PISA mentor. Your subject teacher can be provide this user id and login. If already you know, then you can write your user id and password. The user id and password both are same, right? You can click on this and it will take login and it will display the home page. In this you see that English medium students may attempt the reading challenge 1 and Hindi medium student may attempt only reading challenge Hindi. That means if you are English medium student, you write only English medium reading challenge 1. Okay, if you are Hindi medium, then reading challenge Hindi you should write. RCE 1 is for the English medium students, reading challenge English, and RCH for the Hindi medium students, reading challenge in Hindi. Okay, and this result will be displayed on 2nd April 2021. How to write the exam? First, on the top page, okay, on the scroll button you will see here, you follow the cursor and here home CCT test reading challenge is there. You can click on the reading challenge. In that it is showing the question paper and it is showing the attempt test and log test. First click on the question paper. After that it is showing the two papers, reading challenge English and reading challenge Hindi. If you are English medium student, download first one, RCE 1. Click on that. Then it will be displays the question paper, right? Then the question paper will be downloaded. After that you can read this data which is available, and below that data there is a question is there, question number 1, and there are 4 options are there. You have to read the above paragraph and answer for this first question and second question, third question. How to answer for this? Just you have to take a paper, okay, white paper, and write the question number 1. Okay, first write the heading as RCE 1, reading challenge English 1, and read the paragraph, and then after that you can go for the question. Write just on white paper, you write the question number 1 and write the any one correct option, whatever it may be, right? And like that, question number 2 you can write the proper option, and then after that question number 3. Like this you can write the answers of all questions after reading this question paper. Okay, you read the question paper and there are total 30 questions are there. Question number 1 you write option, you write B or C. Question number 2 C or D, whatever it may be, and after reading you can decide which option is the right. And like that, on white paper you write the answers of 30 questions. After that you can go for the site. Okay, in the reading challenge again you can see this reading challenge question paper. We attempted the all the questions 1 to 30 questions answers I wrote on the white paper. You should write on the white paper. After that you can click on the attempt test. First downloading, and next first downloading the question paper, writing the answers of all questions on a white paper. After that you can go for the attempt test. Then in this your name displays, class will be displayed, financial year you have to select 2021, and then after the reading challenge you have to select RCE1 you have to select because you are English medium student. If you are Hindi medium, RCE2, RCH you can select. Okay, and downloading the question paper English medium and writing the exam English medium, that you have to take the care. You should download the English medium paper and you should write the exam also English medium by selecting RCE means English medium, right? Okay, and then after that you write options either capital A or capital B, whatever the on paper, on white paper already you wrote the answers of 30 questions. That 30 questions answers either C option or D option, or if anything answer is not available, then and also you can write the N. Okay, if you don't want to attempt, you should write. If you don't want to attempt any question, then you write the N. N indicates the not attempted. Okay, right, something you should fill in this. Whatever that you wrote on white paper for every question, 10th question which answer you wrote, that answer, that option you should write it here. After that, at the end there is a submit button is there. You have to click on the submit button. After click on the submit, then you can go back to reading challenge heading, and there is a log test will be there, and you can click on the log test. After clicking on the log test, this page will be open, and then again select the financial year 2021 and the reading challenge code you have to select as RCE1, and then after that whatever the answers that you feeded at the in the attempt test, that will be display in this, you see them, and then after that at the end you can go and you can lock it. If you will lock it, then your exam will be complete. This is the procedure to write the exam. Okay, once again I will repeat the steps. First of all, you have to go for the login. After login, this page will be displayed, and then in that you can go for the reading challenge and download the question paper. After downloading, write the answers of every question on a white paper. You write just question number and option A or B or C, like that 1 to 30 questions are there, question numbers you write, and for every question you write the which option is correct, A, B, C, D. Then after that you can click on the attempt test, and then in that you have to select the RCE1, English medium student you are. If you are English medium student, you select the RCE1, and question paper also you select, you download English medium one. And then after that in the attempt test, what you have to do, you have to select the financial year as 2021, and the code, exam code you have to select as RCE1, and write the options of for the all questions. Then after that you have to submit it. After submitting, then what you have to do, then again go for the reading challenge, lock it. Lock test you have to click, and then after that again select the academic year and RC code as RCE1, reading challenge code RCE1 you have to select, English medium student. Then you check the all the answers, and then after that lock it. This is the simple procedure to write the exam. There are 3 steps. First, downloading the question paper and writing the answers on a white paper. Then attempt test, click on the attempt test and attempt the all, feed the all the answers in online. Then after that finally check it. After attempting, submit it, and then after that lock test you have to do. These are the 3 steps that you should follow, okay, while writing the exam. Okay, thank you to all, and share to this your friends and subscribe my channel for the updates. Thank you to all, and at the end you can log out. This is the procedure how to write the exam. Okay.